everybody, it's Mrs. Hill and happy spring break. Today is Monday, March 30th, and today we're going to do a couple of fun activities outside that we would like to show you. But for now, we are starting with some strong coffee and a birthday mess from yesterday. We got, oh, hello, Jay. And we've got Nora and Eddie over here. And we have presents galore. So if you watched our video from yesterday, we had a social distancing birthday party, a parade where people came and dropped off presents for Nora along the curb and honked and made signs, and it was all super, super sweet, and I might have cried. And so now she's 3. So we'll take you outside and show you what we're gonna do with some painter's tape and some chalk to make a super cool design. See you soon. Hey everybody, so we are talking about things to do to keep us busy on spring break since we're not gonna be doing any schooling this week. So we are doing tape and chalk art. Hopefully you have some kind of tape at home and chalk. If not, and you feel comfortable, you can go down to the Dollar Tree and get some chalk. But there is Jay, and he is going to be painting a J, or coloring. And so each block that is taped off, he's going to color a different color. Nora is going to be doing an N, and Eddie is going to be doing a cross since Easter is coming. So we are going to show you what they look like as they chalk, and we'll show you the finished product. We also wanted to show you something else you could do. Is put a teddy bear in your window, and a lot of people have been going around and counting teddy bears as they walk, or they have been taking a drive to other communities and counting the teddy bears from the car. Or you could count things that are orange or things that are pink on your walk or on your drive. All right, we hope you like our chalk art and you get an idea for spring break at home.
How do you put these things in? Oh, like that. Pink, blue, and red.
That is looking great. Make sure you guys go all the way to the tape. Color all the way up to the tape. So, oops. So when we peel it, the lines are super clean.
You're doing.
You guys are doing such a beautiful job.
I'm done now.
Okay, let's make sure we can blow all the dust off, okay? That's gonna look so good, Jay. I can't wait to see it. All right, we are all colored in. Remember to wear clothes that are comfy and you don't care if chalk gets on them, because this makes a lot of chalk dust. So we're gonna start peeling back our tape now. Okay, start pulling up your tape.
That's cool. That looks pretty cool.
Ta-da!
I think I'll start from J.
That looks so great. Now you're gonna pull up the little side pieces.
This looks like the actual church sign.
Yeah, like a stained glass.
This one. Oh no, what happened?
No, that's okay. That's supposed to look like that. Now get the tape from the side.
That is cool, Nora.
Here is their awesome work. A 7-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 5-year-old. All I did was lay down the tape and it came out so awesome. It looks like professional artwork. Let me know if you guys try it at home. Good job.
Me too.
That was so much fun that Eddie is now making a big one so that we can all participate. Again, let me know if you guys try this. Send me pictures, link them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.